Hello and welcome to FC Reviews, where today I'm going to be showing you how to change an air filter on a 2019 Mazda Cx-5 SUV. This process is quick and easy. Let's get to it. Start by opening the hood. Figure you guys have it unlocked already. Put your hand here, click the release to the right, lift, take out the hood prop, set it in place, make sure it's secure so it doesn't fall on top of you. And this particular car uses filter PE07133A0A. I know it's a mouthful. I'll leave the link in the description below where to get it. The process is simple. This car has two clips. So clip number 1, clip number 2, lift up and towards you, gently and carefully. Hold it in place with one hand. Use your other hand to take out the old filter. Set that aside. And let's take out the new filter. And this particular filter happens to be an original Mazda OEM filter. PE07133A0A. I will leave the link in the description below of where to get it. Set the box aside. Lift the cover again. And just repeat the process in reverse. Put the new one in place. Make sure everything's aligned. Carefully put the lid back down. Use both hands to get both rear hooks on. Push towards the car and down. And then put the clips back on. 1 and clip number 2. And you want to get this process right, because if you leave the lid not closed properly, you're going to hear weird rumbling engine sound when you're driving. Also, a good practice to change the filter at least every 15,000 miles or a year, because you get better fuel economy and your engine runs smoother. And that's how you change a filter on a 2019 Mazda Cx-5. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please comment, like, and subscribe.